Hello, fellow users. Welcome back to our channel IT4U. In today's video, we'll discuss about cloud computing. In an era defined by data-driven innovations, cloud computing emerges as the transformative force powering the digital landscape. This comprehensive exploration will take you on a journey through the intricacies of cloud computing, from its definition and components to real-world examples that showcase its impact on businesses and individuals alike. Section 1. Understanding cloud computing. At its core, cloud computing revolutionizes the way we access and manage data and applications. Definition: cloud computing refers to the delivery of computing services, including storage, processing power, databases, networking, and software, over the Internet. Service models. Cloud computing is categorized into three main service models: infrastructure as a service, IaaS, platform as a service, PaaS, and software as a service, SaaS. Deployment models. Cloud services can be deployed through three primary models: public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. Section 2. Components of cloud computing. Cloud computing involves a synergy of key components. Virtualization. Hardware resources are abstracted and pooled, allowing multiple virtual machines to run on a single physical machine. Servers and data centers. Cloud providers manage vast data centers housing servers, storage devices, and networking infrastructure. Networking. Robust network architecture enables seamless communication between resources across the cloud. Storage. Data storage solutions, such as object storage and block storage, provide scalable and reliable data management. Security measures. Cloud providers implement security protocols, encryption, and access controls to safeguard user data. Section 3. Real-world examples of cloud computing. Cloud computing is omnipresent in modern applications and services. Dropbox. A prime example of SaaS, Dropbox offers cloud-based storage and file synchronization. Salesforce. A pioneering SaaS platform, Salesforce provides customer relationship management tools accessible via the cloud. Amazon Web Services. AWS. A leading IaaS provider, AWS offers scalable virtual servers, storage, and databases on demand. Microsoft Azure. Another major IaaS and PaaS provider, Azure hosts virtual machines, analytics services, and more. Google Workspace. Formerly G Suite, a collaborative SaaS suite, Google Workspace encompasses productivity tools like Gmail, Google Docs, and Google Drive. Section 4. Benefits of cloud computing. Cloud computing brings forth an array of advantages. Scalability. Resources can be scaled up or down based on demand, preventing over-provisioning. Cost efficiency. Organizations pay for only the resources they use, eliminating the need for large upfront investments. Flexibility. Cloud services accommodate diverse workloads, applications, and development environments. Accessibility. Data and applications are accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. Automatic updates. Cloud providers manage updates and maintenance, ensuring software and security are up to date. Disaster recovery. Cloud-based backups and redundant data centers enhance disaster recovery capabilities. Section 5. Cloud computing's impact on businesses and individuals. The transformative effects of cloud computing span industries and user experiences. Business agility. Cloud services enable rapid deployment of applications, promoting innovation and agility. Global collaboration. Cloud-based tools facilitate remote collaboration and real-time communication. Data analytics. Cloud resources empower businesses to process and analyze vast amounts of data for insights. Startups and entrepreneurs. Cloud computing levels the playing field, allowing startups to access enterprise-grade resources without hefty upfront costs. Personal productivity. Individuals benefit from cloud-based apps that synchronize data across devices, enabling seamless access to personal files and tools. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. For more related videos, comment us on comment box and must subscribe the channel.